the flood situation in Assam continues to deteriorate. It's turned critical, with all 33 districts of the state, in fact, coming under the severe grip of this deluge. We are getting you these exclusive visuals as the parts of Assam, in fact, are inundated and the state coming under the grip of deluge. So far, it has claimed 17 lives. More than 45 lakh people have been hugely affected in at least 4,620 villages of the state, with more than 1 lakh people taking refuge and shelter in almost 226 relief camps. As many as 562 distribution centers we are picking up have been set up for relief and rescue work and also for providing relief to the affected people. Now, the latest that we are hearing from Assam State Disaster Management Authority is that the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries are flowing above the danger level in most of these inundated areas, these districts, which also includes Guwahati, the capital. In view of this worsening flood situation in Assam, various resources of the army have also been kept on standby to assist in rescue and relief operations. The army has alerted flood relief columns, which actually consist of rescue and relief materials, to be prepared for deployment on short notice. Meanwhile, Assam government has also released a video on the flood situation.
लखीमपुरवासी को
जी जी
We're going to get our My colleague Anirudh is going to join us live. He's traveling in fact, one of the most affected areas under the grip of severe floods there in Assam. Anirudh is going to be live with us in a bit. But the situation in Assam has now turned almost critical. Remember, there are 33 districts, all 33 districts of the state, which are under severe flood deluge, under the grip of deluge. So far, 17 lives have been lost. More than 45 lakh people have been displaced. And we're also looking at more than 4,000 villages of the state. And more than 1 lakh people are, as we speak, taking refuge in relief camps spread across the state. As many as 562 distribution centers have been set up to provide relief to the affected people. Remember, the center is also monitoring the situation continuously. We're also picking that Army has been on standby. Now, the latest from Assam State Disaster Management is that the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries are flowing above the danger mark. Brahmaputra and its tributaries are flowing above the danger level in these worst affected districts of Assam, which includes Guwahati as well. And in view of the worsening flood situation in the state, various resources of the army, we've been told, have been kept on standby to assist in these relief operations, to assist in these rescue works as well. The army has already alerted its flood relief columns consisting of rescue and relief materials to be prepared for the deployment when the need arises. On the short notice, Anirudh is joining us live with more. Anirudh.
You can see here everywhere it's only water. We are in the Rampur district in Pani area, one of the worst affected area among the 32 districts of Assam which have been submerged in water. And you can see here as around more than 10,000 people have been affected in this area. Even as the water level somewhat now in this area, but people are yet to go to their homes because most of the areas surrounding their homes have been and as we talk, more than 50% of Assam is
Well, the situation in Assam continues to remain critical now. Remember, all 33 districts of the state are under the grip of severe floods, claiming 17 lives so far. The state government is doing everything possible to contain the situation, as well as the center is also monitoring the situation round the clock. Army has already alerted its flood relief columns consisting of rescue and relief materials, and Army is also on standby.